I'm finished with the ROM emulation on this P250. I was using it to just put an XP ROM in there and check against my emulator, and I've got other ways of doing that now. So what I thought I'd do is take all these wires off that I put on and put a new EEPROM in there that I've programmed with an XP ROM, just like the one I was using on the ROM emulator here. So I got my programmer out and found I didn't have an adapter, so I had to buy one. But unfortunately this is some wide package that doesn't fit in there, so I gave up on that and instead made myself an adapter with a PCB. This is one I bought off eBay, the adapter, and I found that that footprint is actually the same as that one. So this is some weird, slightly wide package that doesn't fit in the socket and was a pain to solder on there. And then I found that the programmer software that I use had this part number but had the wrong programming voltage, so that didn't work too well. I eventually found one that would program it, so this is now programmed with version 3.3 of the XP software firmware. So I'm going to take the wires off, solder that on, and see if my P250 becomes an XP finally. Right, so I've soldered the EEPROM on here. That was fairly simple, as the footprint actually fits this chip, unlike my adapter. And put the battery in and turn it on, and it works. So it's not a P250 anymore, it's actually an XP with version 3.3 of the code. So there we go, you can replace the EEPROM.